Outlast even scarier than this?
Kinda. Yeah. It's been a while since I played.
Sorry.
I'm making Pomu play, though, for next time.
I've never sneezed on my own stream, but I just sneezed on your stream.